How to open CIBC bank account online. To open a CIBC bank account online, make sure to launch the CIBC mobile banking application, and this is the interface that we will see. If we tap the three lines icon from the top left, you can see various options. One of the options will be open an account. So to create a new account, just tap on the open an account button. It will take you to the CIBC's website where you can explore various different type of bank accounts that are available over here. So simply choose a bank account of your choice. So you can choose different types of account like a checkings or savings account. I'll just choose a random one for this particular example. Once I've selected a bank account, I can look at all of the requirements that is needed in order to open that particular bank account and all the eligibility features as well. Then I can tap on the open an account button, which will redirect me again back to the app where I have to simply fill out a form according to my legal details. So here I have to simply make sure to skip the bundle. I'll just skip this because I don't really need it, and I'm just going to show you a brief walkthrough. And tap on start your application, tap on apply as new client, enter all the required details as per your legal document information, and you might also have to provide your identity in order to verify your account later on to prove that you are a real citizen of the country. Once you've provided the respective details and you tap the next option, your CIBC account will be successfully created. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.